Real estate professionals, are you looking to take your business to new heights? Look no further than the lead surge formula. Our comprehensive digital marketing strategy is designed to help you double your leads in just 90 days, streamline your sales process, and stand out in a crowded market. At the heart of the lead surge formula is a suite of powerful tools and techniques that work together to attract more potential buyers and close more deals. Our custom video ads showcase your properties in the best possible light, while our virtual tours allow people to explore them from the comfort of their own homes. And with our smart funnels, we bring leads directly to you so you can spend less time chasing down prospects and more time closing deals. But that's just scratching the surface. Our interactive ads and custom AI chatbots take engagement to the next level, encouraging potential clients to learn more about your properties and guiding them through the sales process. And with our team taking care of all the technical details, you can focus on what you do best, closing sales and growing your business. We're so confident in our strategy that we guarantee you'll double your leads in just 90 days, or we'll hustle for free until it happens. That's how much we believe in the power of the lead surge formula. But here's the catch. We only work with one agent per area. That means if you want to secure your spot and leave your competition in the dust, you need to act fast. The lead surge formula is not just another marketing strategy. It's a complete system that will set your listings apart and increase your chances of turning browsers into buyers. From custom video ads to virtual walkthroughs, interactive ads, and custom AI chatbots, we've got everything you need to succeed. If you're ready to elevate your business to the next level, then it's time to take advantage of the lead surge formula. Book a free consultation now to get started and stop holding back. With the lead surge formula by your side, the sky's the limit. Contact us now to get started.